called as Who Game. All right, Ravi and Vincia, everybody and all of us seated over here would like to know this. This question is for you. Are you ready? Who said, I love you first? I love you किसने पहले बोला? Oh, come on everybody, make some noise. So Ravi made the first move and he said, I love you. That's lovely. Everybody, come on, जोर से तालियां हो जाए. Now, it's good that you said, I love you. Very nice. Now, after wedding, or who says, I love you the most? ज़्यादा कौन बोलता है हर दिन में, I love you, I love you. Who says, I love you the most? Oh, Vincia says, I say. Ravi says, I say. Okay, that's nice. Who does the shopping more? Who does the shopping more? Oh, come on everybody, make some noise for them. Now the next question coming up. Who is more self-obsessed? Checks himself out in the mirror. Oh, the bride said, yes, that's Ravi, that's not me, that's not me. Once again, a good compatibility. Very, very nice, you know, very good, very good, very nice. Who is never wrong? जोर से तालियां दे दो. Yeah, very good. Pointing the fingers, very nice, very good. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा इवेंट पे लेट कौन होता है? Who is more likely in running late? Oh, that's the confidence. Look at the confidence. Ravi like दिल खोल के. I. That's me, buddy. That's me. Whose phone battery has always charging most? Ravi says me. Most. That's the bride. Come on, everybody, give yourself a big hand of applause. Give them. They are doing quite well. Who spends more time on the Facebook and WhatsApp, the social media? That's the confident bride over here. Me, she says. I do. Now get ready. The friends, you get ready. पीछे नहीं देखना है. Both the bride, let's see. Between the bride and groom, सबसे ज़्यादा बात कौन करता है? Who talks the most? हाँ, if you don't want to change, हाँ, तुमको ऐसा लगता है, then you have to come this side. You have to move. If you think the bride, then you have to change the party. You'll have to take and you have to come this side. Getting the point? You'll have to move. If you'll think Ravi speaks most, then remain here. If you'll think the bride, जैसे कि मैंने बोला, you'll have to come this side. Okay? Yes. Ready? Very good. Okay, remain there now. Remain there. Yes. After that, who has between the bride and the groom, who has got the cute smile? Who has got the cute smile? Party badal rahe log. Very nice. Now, yes, you can dance definitely. This one, I think you all will love this. Between both the couple, who has the craziest friends? The craziest friends. This is craziest friends. Everybody make some noise for Ravi. Don't worry, Vinci, I'm with you. Hang on over there. Hello, listen to the next question now. Who is more prayerful? Who is more prayerful? They're clapping. Look at Ravi's mom. Like, oh my gosh, this is the most funniest question. God bless you, my son. God bless you. God bless you. God bless. That's really lovely, Vincia. You need to pray very hard for your husband now, huh? All right. Next one. Between both of them, who do you think is more romantic? Romantic between Ravi and Vincia? Okay. What a majority that was. Lovely. Okay. Now listen to this, huh? Do take me seriously for this next question. If you all need 5,000 rupees note, hello, तुम लोग किसके पास जाएगा? रवि के पास जाएगा या विंसिया के पास? If you all need 5,000 rupees note right now, whom you all will go to? Ravi or Vincia? Let's see. There. Give Ravi a big hand of applause here. 5,000 anytime. Take, man. Take. Lovely. That's fantastic. Who is, between both of them, the couples, who is money spender? जो ज़्यादा पैसा खर्चा करते? Let me watch that. So please, this is not fair. You all have betrayed the bride, huh? Okay. She's a good saver. That's nice. Now, This is something relating to the future. Okay? Nowadays in the school, you know, they give a lot of assignments. Projects bhi dete hain. Okay? Now, between both of you, who is going to be a mathematician in solving your child's assignment? Koi, kaun? Sab log bolte hain Ravi. Who is going to solve the child's assignment? Ravi? Ravi is a scholar, man. Everybody please give it up for Ravi. He says ready, I am ready. Absolutely amazing. Now the next one. The next one. Are you ready for this, Vincia? Are you ready for this? Who eats more? Who eats between the both of them? The friends knows. See, friends ko pata hai kuch secrets, you know, which even the bride and the groom doesn't know maybe. Who eats more? Jor se taaliyan, Ravi, go. Lovely. Very nice. Now, among you, if you'll order for a slice of pizza, for a slice of pizza, Vincia, this is for them, Vincia and Ravi. Who will grab the last slice of pizza first? Pizza order किया है, last slice of pizza बाकी है, कौन झपटेगा वो Ravi? Ravi says, I'll grab something else, but not pizza. Oh, very smart, very smart. All right. And who is more stubborn between both of them, for the friends? Who is more stubborn among them? Who is more stubborn? Right, you left them right alone. Okay. And you all are the decider for this. Who is the best dancer among both of them? The best dancer. I want all of you to give a big hand of applause to them. And now, ladies and gentlemen, who is excited for honeymoon? Who is excited for honeymoon? Let me see. Let me.